This listing is for a Bose Series 2 rechargeable battery iPod dock. It is, there's the hidden iPod dock that goes in there. Fits most models, not the iPhone 4, but most models of iPod. Comes with a remote control, comes with a battery charger, the AC adapter, that thing. It has great sound quality. It's actually connected to my iPad right now through the auxiliary input in the back. But just to give you a demo, using the remote.
Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Whether you're broke or evergreen, your black, white, face, chola descent, your Lebanese, your...
So it works well. Again, the iPad is not for sale. It's just on the iPod, the Bose docking station, Series 2. So, bit of confidence, it works well. It does have a little bit of, I don't even know if the camera will pick it up, but mild, just, a little bit of wear and tear, I guess. You can't even really see it in the picture, but that's about it. Everything else is brand new on it. So, bid with confidence.